It still amazes me an alien capable of devouring the entire world is living inside me.
You helped make me unbelievably powerful. Plus, you introduced me to chocolate. For that, you have my deepest thanks.
And that's another thing. I kind of saved the world with chocolate. Pretty nuts when you say it out loud.
Chocolate with peanuts in it. Perhaps the greatest combo in all the universe.
Oh no.
Okay, to be fair, you kind of caused that one. What with talking about chocolate and peanuts. And I did say you made me powerful.
I don't think I should have been worried about you eating the world. Your hunger alone could shatter the planet.